YouTube, today we about to be changing the blower motor resistor out. You know that's messed up when try to cut it on, get nothing going. So go start with that ding and stop it. You'll come down here, you go take both of these out. Those are 7mm. Once you get your 7mm out, you go ahead and just be able to slide that out like that. Get that on about the way. Unplug this. Next two will be a 7/32. 732. The resistor down here. You got two bolts. Go get them on off. You go unplug this. And that's what the resistor look like. It's burnt out. So once you get that, you gonna have 3 wires. You'll get them unplugged and put them back together. You can't mess that up. They all got the different colors. This your part number for your new resistor and wire harness. With a new wire harness resistor. Some screws, some instructions. That's the difference. You got your old and you got your new. And it's all come in the kit. Like $100 almost. Wires tape. Let's install everything back. This plug goes into the blower motor. Just goes back in there. Line your hose up, put the screws back in there, plug it back up. Let's test it. Grab your plug. Let's test it out. I see you live. So that's how you fix that. Let's button everything back up. And that's it, man. That's how you lock in with that.